Small, small songs, prayers, shlokas, or something like that. Especially the elders of the family, they introduce because they understand the value of music, Sangeetam, because the body, each and every cell of our body has got vibrations. In fact, when the music came into existence, its purpose was for healing only.
How a science, an astrology, and a music all put together can heal a person.
Because astrology itself is a science. It's a science. We cannot ignore. It's a highly mathematical and also science. Every graha, as I earlier mentioned, I got attracted by Muthuswami Dikshita's Navagraha Kritis.
When these allopathy and all these medicines are not there, there are only two things. One is Ayurvedam.
Yes, yes.
Definitely, the second is music.
Yes.
And third is chanting.
Yeah.
These are the three healings which are there from centuries, as you
Yes.
rightly said.
One more thing you are missing. Sound, what he was violently making the sound, it started becoming little more musical. And then he started even trying to say Omkara. Oh, that was it was coming. One day she came and she hugged and there was a tears and she was saying, "Ma'am, मेरा बेटा आज मुझे माँ बोला, माँ बोला," and she cried. Group of antidepressant ragas, which I suggest to. Anti-stress is different, anti-depression is different. So I have ragas for both other categories. So for antidepressant, best raga is Beha.
And one of your research or one of your major contribution to music therapy, Anusandhan, is you worked on it.
Yeah.
And can you give us more insights about your research you have done and the papers you worked and the future uh, any papers you're contributing or you're writing in second volume of book, adding some more ragas.
Some more.
So how will this? I'm sure this will help
Yes.
therapists and
Yes.
future
Yes. Yes.
for the future society also.
Correct.
So can you elaborate what is that you have learned music? Your guru has taught you. Now there's also papers, international acclaims also you got. So can you give me some more insights? How did all this happen?
Music, because working with the ragas, swaras, that has been, many are, they are working on it for a long time.
Correct.
But what happened is going deep into what happens when we are preparing for a music exam or getting trained. We just understand the raga, we just sing the raga. When we go deep into the lakshana of each raga and swaras, and when we are singing not just for the sake of singing.
Correct.
What I say, make the each note as part of your system. Anubhava. You have to experience that swaras vibration within your body.
Okay.
When you feel it, then you understand what it is doing to you. That's how many of now, about a year ago, me and my daughter together, we registered a Gurukulam called Rajam's Gurukulam, where I have taken a big team of students who are doctorate and they are masters in music. And what happens is many of these trained people, all of them cannot become stage singers. They are not able to sing, and they end up either as music teachers.
Yeah.
Or they have to run behind the secretaries of various clubs, give me a
Kacheris.
chance to sing,
Sing kacheri.
or perform or something.
Absolutely.
I have started taking all of them
On board.
and started training them so that they can use their knowledge for purpose of service to the society, because there is a lot of need. There is a lot of, unfortunately, cases of depression, stress, and
Suicidal.
psychology. Always I say psychology and music, Sangeeta Chikitsa, music therapy are two sides of a coin.
So you worked with Hyderabad Central University. You
I
also
did recently.
yes, yeah.
What happened was Swayam Prabha.
Nimans in Bangalore, I think. Is it? You
Which
work
one? Nimhans? No, no. I have Nimhans had done presentation. They
presentation.
called this thing,
Okay.
and Nimhans doctors were there when this book was released.
Okay.
One of the doctors only they have released the book, and this thing. And but the uh, now many of the trained, musically trained, they are coming forward, ma'am, train us. Because we are seeing that there is a good future opening up for the thing, and especially after COVID.
Hmm.
What lockdown happened, during COVID, it was like marathon for me, I must say that, call from here, depression calls were there, the suicidal tendency was there, everything was, no, always elevated because they wanted to get rid of the pain what they are going through, the difficulty what they are going through after COVID. And it was, some people, they lost their jobs, got into deep depression, financial problem, domestic problem, everything. So various kinds of cases, I have this thing. And in fact, I used to have doctors from other countries, UK, US, and all, because working with patients, COVID
Across
patients,
globe.
they were getting into depression because it was, during that time,
Oh,
depression was the main thing. So they used to wait for a, because they were getting off, not all the days. They had particular, like, by, I think, by turns the doctors were getting off
yes.
days, and they used to a particular day and then time for each doctor I have fixed. So they used to wait for that day. They said that when Tuesday will come, when 5 o'clock will come, when I will meet the Raja madam, and I want to have that
Relieved.
relief.
Yeah.
So therapy, they needed therapy.
They're in so much stress.
So much of stress, so much of stress.
So when
So,
everybody was, nobody wanted to meet anyone,
huh,
they were the one who stood up and met everyone.
exactly, exactly.
Yes.
So they also needed that kind of,
Absolutely.
that boost or that energy, positive
Energy,
energy. So
motivation.
that, motivation. So 1 hour of giving them the ragas which may suit them to come out of their, they are also getting into depression, working, 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 mentally tired, drained out, and all. So to give them the mental strength, the emotional strength to put up with certain difficult patients, they really needed it.
You also get
So
these
that,
IT employees who are
yes,
these.
yes, IT, my God, don't ask me.
No, I recently I can't name, but there's a cousin of mine who works 18 hours
Yes,
and he has a higher CTC
yes,
and he doesn't have time for family. He's stressed out. He
yes,
burned out.
yes,
I've seen a lot of women who are now getting into the high pressure zones of working for
yes,
16 hours,
yes, yes,
and then they are not able to
yes.
give time to family.
You know
On the
what that is resulting into? One, either infertility, that cases I'm finding, and if the woman miss the period, oh my God, I'm pregnant. It's not that, oh, I am pregnant. It's not. Oh my God.
oh,
I thought I'm going to get promotion. I'll be having an offshore program. And what is this? I got pregnant. So, what happens with that kind of emotion throughout the pregnancy results into neurological disorder children.
oh God,
I am seeing this many cases. I said, were you happy when you were pregnant? Was your pregnancy was a happy occasion? I mean, whether the 9 months were, happiness, this thing, no. No, madam. Yeah, I was okay with, but my husband was also saying it was not needed at that time. What to
in
do?
6 months, 7 months, they used to
So,
keep working. Yeah,
last minute working and all, that pressure, 18 months, untimely food, untimely sleep, all these things, emotionally stressed out. They had target. They have got, this time to target, time bound, this thing. So they ignored so many things in their life. And that resulted on the child which is growing inside.
so you're getting these cases nowadays.
They were getting, now it has reduced. Now much better, but I must say that, if you don't want, if you are not able to give time to your child, please
Stop
don't
working.
have.
Okay,
Don't have
don't have,
child.
don't
Yeah.
have.
If your career is more important, don't have children. No, you are punished yourself with that, and also you are punishing the society
Yes, by giving.
by giving birth to this thing, then you have nannies and you have special why all these things. I said that it should be a happy
Yes,
incident. Having a baby was a happy, that baby should also be happy, you should be happy, family should be happy, the child should grow in a very happy and balanced environment. There is an imbalance of emotions, the child will
The
cannot
sufferer.
grow. We are seeing more and more why small younger children also having many kind of issues which were
Respiratory.
normally elder issues,
We are
issues with
hearing
elderly people. Nowadays, small children are coming with that.
respiratory disorders.
Yes,
Yes,
lot of,
yes.
lot of emotions.
Ma'am, we will speak about Nadam and Swaram.
Yes.
There are 7 swaras. So, how is this Nadam and Swaram are imparted in music therapy? And is this the base of this is the base of music? I
Yes,
understand,
of course.
but is it used very meticulously?
Yes.
How does it like Bijakshara? There are a lot of things which you feel that that people should know.
Yes.
That Nada and Swaram, how will that help a music therapy?
Of course, because Nadam itself is our inner most musical sound. What we have Nada, it is present in everyone. It is,
Absolutely.
that's what we say that from Nadam Swaras are, I mean, Nadam Shruti Swaras and combination of Swaras Raga. When your Bhavam is added to Raga and Lime is added to Raga, that becomes Sangeetam.
Correct.
That is the stepwise we go.
Absolutely.
So, Nada Anusandhana, what I use, it is the age old practice. Earlier, it was the Bija mantra which they were getting associated with.
Correct.
Because each chakra, we are talking about the Sapta chakras, main chakras in our body. So there are many, I mean, I will say Upachakras and there are combinations of chakras, there are many. But mainly the 7 chakras,
Yes.
starting from Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Agya,
Agda.
and Sahasrara. They are the main basic 7 chakras.
And this for this I have written it, ma'am. There's a locations,
Yes,
base of spine,
base of spine.
public area,
Yes,
navel,
yes,
and center of heart, throat, between eyebrows, top of the head.
head of.
And for them, everything has a bija mantra.
Bija
Lam,
mantra, of
lam,
course.
or
All
yam.
of them are having Bija mantras.
Correct.
But earlier days, when the, I mean, Vedic period, when they were, actually there was no Sangeetam during Vedic period.
Correct.
So they had Bija mantra prayoga. So
Lam,
they
ram.
used to, yeah, but they had the tapasvi because Bija mantra power is very, very strong, very strong.
Yes.
The body has to take, it should have the strength to
Capacity.
take the capacity, capability of to accept this.
Correct.
Otherwise, the nerves will break down.
Absolutely.
So, the actual power of Bija mantra, the tapasvi shakti, the yogic shakti of the rishis munis, in those days, they had the power to evoke the Bija mantra shakti, and when they pass it through their finger towards the rogi or the client or the patient, that used to pass to them the energy, positive energy, and that was helping in healing. So a lot of people now also people they say yam ram we use as a bija mantra.
Correct.
I said when you use that, do you feel that's happening in you that you are able to evoke the
Capacity.
energy and touch somebody and are able to give that more like a current? Are
That
you
is
able to
location.
possible? It's not possible.
Yes.
So you can use bija mantra yam ram as a shabda.
Yeah.
Yam is a shabda.
Ram.
Don't say it's a you are using the bija mantra as it has to be used.
Correct.
Because there is a capability. We cannot, like everybody cannot become PT Usha. Years of tapasya,
Absolutely.
what
The
she has,
practice.
practice and tapasya she has done. It is ekagrata. That is what she has done. Similarly, maybe years together working on chakras and evoking the bija mantras may get the person, get that energy evoked, the bija mantras, power to this thing. So there are, I've heard some of them could do it, but earlier days, then only we have come across Lakshana Granthas and many Sangeeta related, writes up and all, where they have taken that, slowly the Sangeeta swaras are being used in that because the frequency.
Correct.
So each chakra has got a particular frequency.
Yes.
So the frequency and keep the what we have the pitch box, Shruti. So we can use that same how much frequency you need, you can produce with that. So that's how that. So not necessary that it has to be only the Sangeeta swaras you have to use. Sa for Muladhara, Re for Swadhisthana. Not necessary. It can be Om. It can be Ah. So even I want to, if they want to have a longer, I'll say like, Om Namah Shivaya. Use from the chakra where the particular emotion you want to heal or particular physical organs you want to, I mean, strengthen.
Sing loud, speak
Loud,
loud. Yeah,
yeah, that
yeah,
evoking the resonance.
correct.
So if it is like something to do with the lungs,
Yes.
the stamina you want to improve on. So
Get
from
it
heart
from, yeah,
chakra,
absolutely.
evoke the resonance from the heart chakra. So that loudly it can be Omkara, because Omkara is what we say, it's a mantra which is
Yeah,
universal.
universal. Yes.
Universal. And it's a very powerful.
Absolutely.
So evoke it from the heart
Heart.
chakra, and so that you can feel the vibration happening here.
Correct.
So when it is this thing means, like simple thing, when the fingers become rigid, what the physiotherapy will say, the flow is prana flow is not okay.
Okay.
So keep
So
doing
keep-
like this, vibrate it, or you do something, or do the exercise. How will you do if you want to strengthen your lungs? You can't even put your hand beyond,
Yes.
cannot go below the neck. So inhale, when you are exhaling, evoke the sound from there. So when you are inhaling, fill it with the air as much as possible, with the vayu. And when you are exhaling, like pranayama, that's why yoga also comes into this. And then evoke, when you are exhale,
Yeah.
evoke the
Breathing.
sound
Yes.
along with that. And say it loudly so that sound vibrates.
And you spoke about a lot of, when you go back, the Nadi Vaidyam,
Yes.
Ayurvedam. So these are the medical interventions which used to happen. And music therapy is also one of
Yes,
the
yes.
interventions which used
Yes,
to
yes.
happen in ancient times.
Yes, yes.
I think now, uh, I mean, the kind of work you're doing and others are doing, I'm sure a lot of other people, musicians are doing it, and you have built a team now.
Yes.
And it's only going to help the society.
Yes.
And we are in a stage of world post COVID. There are a lot of economical situations which at home. There are depression of job losses. Sportsmen go through a lot of depression with injuries.
Yes.
There are people who are creative people who are multi-talented, but they don't get opportunities. I think music is a solution.
Yes, yes.
And
It heals.
heals. It
Yeah.
heals.
It
heals.
brings that, kind of, harmony
Uh,
to understand the situation and be with it. That's all.
it may not give you a solution,
Yes.
but it will definitely make you stronger
Stronger
if you
enough
use it
to-
properly.
yes,
So
exactly,
that
exactly.
is the kind of work you have done.
Of course.
I just want to know two of the works you have done that you are proud of yourself that it has contributed to music therapy, ma'am. So any such work that you felt are very good. One thing you told me is that I got the answer to Dr. Garu, that they were not able to find the solution.
Yes.
And so I think there are a couple of moments which
Many,
yes,
many
yes,
of
yes,
them.
yes.
Many
So,
of them.
what we would do is I'll call upon, because if I sing, then this podcast will end here. So I'll definitely call my co-host, and she's a very dear friend of mine, and she knows music.
Okay.
I'm sure that she's kid in front of you, but you are a classical singer, Carnatic singer,
Yes.
and she's a trained Hindustani singer. She has also started healing with her music to some of the students. She has long way to go. Please welcome Pratyusha here, and she will give more insights, and she will take insights from ma'am on how the music and ragas will help on a day-to-day basis, and also in the field of autism. Welcome, Pratyusha. So all this while you're the women behind the podcast, and whatever the podcast till now in RM Studios have come up well, I can credit you 80% the successes because of you, because of script work, ma'am, and she's a very meticulous worker. And the time has come, Pratyusha, that for you to show your singing skills and your experience of Hindustani music. And which better guru we have now today, and she's the best guru we can have in the conversation. And I am privileged to have sit in between and listen. I better listen to two women. So it's all over to you,
Your
Pratyusha.
words were too kind,
Thank you.
Niranjan ji. Namaste, Rajam ji.
Namaste, ma.
So I've been a music student all my life, and as we say, music is an ocean. And I think it'll take me yogas and janmas to even learn the
Yeah, still,
first
I am
part of
also learning.
Sangeetam.
Still learning.
But as a Sangeeta learner myself, Sangeetam student myself, I I have been into this for a while, and I also have been blessed. I teach some kids very basics of music, and what better than having a conversation with you and getting to learn a lot from you today
My pleasure.
about music and therapy. Because singing and healing are two different things, but you've mixed two of them, and you're putting it out in the public. So I want to learn from you today, ma'am.
Oh, it's most pleasurable thing.
And as you always describe raga as a frequency, just as a human being has a mood or a personality, a ragam's mood or personality comes from the swaram.
Yes.
So, what is the raga's mood? Like, for example, what I have learned as a student from childhood is, be it Carnatic or Hindustani, the uh, time 24-hour time has been divided into 8 praharas,
Prahars.
and each prahara has some ragas, and each raga has some significance,
Of course.
and you pick each raga from each prahara and
Yeah.
tell us how it heals.
Yeah.
So I would want to know the division of 8 praharas and how these ragas impact our body when we hear it in that particular time frame and in that particular prahara. So we'll start with the morning prahara and
Sure,
go till
sure.
the evening
In
prahara.
fact, I must say that, a lot of the present generation, they ask me question that there is no meaning about the, what you have, the time related ragas and all those things. I say, yeah, of course. Earlier days, our day will start with the sunrise and finish with sunset.
Yes.
Unfortunately, many of you don't see sunrise at all.
Yeah.
By the time you wake up, it's already afternoon.
Absolutely.
And then when you go to sleep, it's already midnight. So that definitely it won't make any sense to you.
Existence.
But there is a science behind what they are having as the morning raha or the 8 prahar, what we say, and the ragas to it. It is all connected to the human body.
Okay.
And the human body's systems, like we have circulatory system, excretory system, respiratory system.
Okay.
So all these things actually, if we have to see vayu wise, panchavayus, what we call apana, samana, udana, and prana, and vyana. These vayus are connected with our activities of the system,
Okay.
different system. So, to enhance this vayu's strength or what is the movement, because as you said, sound is vibration.
Yes.
So, raga is a vibration. So, it vibrates and that gives the strength. Because of the particular vayu becoming stronger with the vibration of the sound, what they are hearing, that helps in that particular system to get activated more.
Okay.
And the way it has to be.
Right.
So that is what. So now morning raga, you called about morning raga. Usually morning ragas are either we can say Maya Malagola or Chakravakam in the Carnatic music, Ahir Bhairav, Bhairav Thought. Normally ragas coming from these Thought and Melakarta ragas help in the morning system. What is our morning, which is activated in our body? It is the excretory system. Medically, it has been proved that we have to get rid of the toxins which have built up because of the previous day's diet or emotions or various moods which we go through.
Right.
According to that, a lot of toxins have built up in our body.
Absolutely.
Right.
So that has to be expelled. For that, your excretory system has to be activated more. So for that, apana vayu, what I was talking about, the apana vayu comes into the picture. Apana Vayu works towards the movement is towards the downwards movement.
Right.
It helps with the bottom of our body,
Right.
below of our body, below the belly, I must say,
Belly.
more the organs which are connected to the excretory system. It helps with that. So if you see the morning ragas, what I thought about, I spoken about the thought or the Melakarta ragas, they have the combination of, like if it comes to Carnatic music, they have Antara Gandharam, Shuddha Rishabam combination.
Mhm.
Hindustani music, what we can call it as the Shuddha Gandhar and Komal Rishabh combination. So this, especially in the descending order, that is what we call the Avrohana Krama, helps with the lower part of the Gandhara is connected to the Manipura chakra and the Rishabha connected to the lower part of our excretory system. When the pressure is put on that, automatically the excretory system becomes more stronger and the excretion happens. So that's why that Magarisa, and especially there is a rag called Malahari
Mm.
in Carnatic music.
Mhm.
This is Maya Malagola Janyam. That is, if you take Rag Bhairav thought, in that remove Gandhar and Nishad in the ascending order and remove Nishad only in the descending order. Let the Gandhar be there in the descending order. That is what we call as a Malahari. What is the Malahari Ragam says? Mala means toxins, Hari means removing. So this raga helps all kinds of. I use this raga, like I must say, as a first, like we say, right, Om Gam Ganapate. Like that, I use this raga for any therapy I do because it's more like sterilizing the place. Because it removes any kind of toxins, whether it's emotionally attached or whether it's physically.
How does it sound like, ma'am? Like if you have to
Mm,
say.
Sari ma pa da sa sa da pa ma ga ri sa. Especially ma ga ri sa. Ma at Anahata Chakra, where you build up the pressure of air pressure. Ga at the diaphragm and the abdomen. Re, your re is coming almost to the lower point of your excretory system. Sa, it's expelled.
Wow.
And this is not only for that. I have used this even for people who are having, fever, along with the medicine, whatever paracetamol they are given. So we follow certain diet control also. I sing this and the
Removes.
person starts. So there are ragas like that. So morning ragas purpose is mainly
Excretory.
to help with the excretory system and apana vayu. So you can see most of your morning ragas, what I mentioned,
Mhm.
the combination of these
Is
swara,
it
mainly
similar?
these two
Swaram.
Is it
swaras.
similar in Hindustani also?
Yes, that's
Okay.
what I said.
Just
Thought.
now, as he explained
Bhairav
about
thought.
Bhairav.
Okay. How does
Rag
it
Bhairav thought.
sound?
So how will you sing
Yes,
Bhairav thought?
Bhairav.
Bhairav
Don't,
is a Purna raga,
yeah, in that, don't sing Gandhar, don't sing Nishad in the ascending order.
ascending order.
Yeah.
Okay. Gandhar and Nishad have to not sing.
Mm.
So Sare Mapa Dhasa.
Ah.
Sare Mapa Dhasa.
Descending order, no Nishad.
Sa dha pa ma re
Include ga.
sa.
Include ga.
Oh.
You take it
Sa
again.
dha pa ma ga re sa.
You see the difference. So this is what named as Malahari in Carnatic music. But it can be used even in Hindustani music, keeping these options. I mean, this rule.
Correct.
No Nishad, no Gandhar in the ascending order. Include Gandhar in the descending order. No Nishad in the descending order.
is the same rule applied for the rasas as well? Like, for example, we were taught Desa Ragam is Veera Rasa Ragam. So,
But there is no, this purpose in the early morning, you don't have any rasas, ma. We are not supposed to have any rasas.
okay.
Early morning, you are supposed, you're only physically you have to detox and start having all your body is a fresh.
Right.
Mind should be fresh, but there is no emotions.
Right.
Early morning, never we should attach any emotions to
Okay.
our system. Definitely not.
It should start with the body only.
Only
The
concentrate in
mind
the
should
body.
not be included.
Yes, that's the only thing.
Right.
Later on, once the toxins go, automatically the brain becomes more, active and alert. You are able to. Otherwise, a person suffering with a constipation, they are not able to concentrate. That irritation will be there. Heaviness in the head will be there. They feel that when I am going to get rid of this, and then I can concentrate.
Anyone with
So this is
constipation
Can also.
can actually hear ragas like Bhairav, Malahari, and these in the morning. Just
yes,
listening to it can also help them.
it
Ma'am.
can help. But humming with that is going to what exactly will happen in your body.
Right.
Because you have to
The
It's in the-
vibrations.
yeah,
what
vibration.
you're
You have to
It's in
put
the
the
lower
pressure,
part of the
lower
body,
part of the
the
body, right?
Right.
So this is how the music in the morning is detached from body
Yes,
and don't carry the emotions.
yes, exactly.
Yes.
No, no emotions, nothing.
Okay.
First, take care of, make sure that your
Your
body
body
is
is-
out of toxins.
Your body is loosened
Loosen. Yes.
for a day.
Yes,
Absolutely.
exactly.
Yes. So are there afternoon and evening night ragas
Yes.
also?
Yes, yes.
There are a day of 24-hour clock. Ma'am, just correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
A day of 24-hour clock is divided into 8 praharas.
Yes, 8.
So दिन के पहले प्रहर में कुछ राग है, दूसरे प्रहर
Yes.
में, तीसरे
Yes, yes.
in that way,
Yes.
once the physical body is ready to absorb more frequencies and more energies,
Yes.
does it go to the mind, ma'am?
Of course.
That is when midday ragas come into
Of
play.
course, because you need more mental activity.
Okay.
When you have to apply your mind for so many things because your activities
What are the
and these things.
ragas?
So
that
if you are going to now, after this, when we are going to the second prahar,
Right.
what is the timing for the second prahar?
10 o'clock?
9 से 12 बजे का.
Now say Bharat, that
9
is
से
9 to 12
9 to
o'clock.
12.
That's the time. It's just you are going to begin your day.
Yes, fresh mind.
Fresh mind,
Yes.
alertness, focus,
Yes.
everything you need. You have to have energy. You are not going to emotionally get weak.
Yes.
You are strong to
Yes.
face
Yes.
the whole day's activity. You are having physical strength, you are having mental strength because you are not having any toxins in your body. So more positive energy.
Right.
You're starting the day with a
Absolutely.
positive energy. So what happens? Ragas, which has got more upward mobility,
Wow.
because the energy has to move upward, because now
It
you're
has to
so
hit
more
here.
like yes.
Yeah.
So you have to have the energy from what? Because you are finished with your breakfast.
Right.
Now the energy has to move upward now to get concentrated and work with other things which you are
Focus.
supposed to focus and give attention to or plan to. So we have to have even the mental strength to analyze the situation or anything which is given accordingly. You have to plan your day. All these things are possible only you are mentally alert and strong. So upward mobility ragas, more like rag Shankarabharanam, what we call as a
Bilawal in
or
Hindustan.
Bilawal Thaat ke rag, like rag Durga,
Right.
Shuddha Saveri, what we call as.
Right.
So that actually gives you what we say, we won't say that it is a Veera Rasa, it is almost but energy flowing in Rasa. It has got more energy flow.
It's a kick.
Mentally,
Yeah.
body, you are ready. Yes, I got to go. I had to go to the bank. I had to go to the fees, school to pay the fees. I had to go to the current
Charged
bill,
up. You're
electricity.
charged up.
All those things, you're like charged up. Yes, exactly. So we are like battery charged. We are charged. So you need ragas where there is not much. Don't start your work with the emotion attached. There also.
So
You have to be
Bhakti
this
Rasa comes into play here because we start with
Bhakti-
Suprabhatam or
Yeah,
maybe.
Suprabhatam, definitely that is to give your mind the positive energy.
Right.
When we see Venkateshwara Suprabhatam,
Right.
early morning listening to that actually gives you the positive Suprabhadam of not only Venkateshwar Suprabhadam,
Any
Sai
super.
Suprabhadam is there,
Yes.
Subramanya Suprabhadam is there.
Yes.
So there
Suprabhatam
are
is like
certain
awakening God only. No?
God only, yes.
Yes.
So what happens along with that? You are
I'm
awakened.
awakened. Yes.
Your nerves are awakened. Your mind is awakened. Everything is awake. Senses are awakened.
Absolutely.
Senses are. So if somebody is there are cases which came to me saying that when I wake up in the morning, I don't feel fresh.
Right.
It's
So what happens is their mind is not. I am feeling that kind of dullness when I am waking up. I'm not feeling fresh. I'm not feeling alert. Here I can quote one case. This mother of special child who was having autism spectrum child. The mother waking up. Oh my God! I don't know how much tantrum I have to put up today with. He's so hyperactive. Yesterday itself, I was completely drained out. I'm starting the day with so that feeling completely, breaks her whole system.
Right.
So she developed all kinds of physical issues. I
Oh.
said, no, this is not, you are quite young. Just because this child is, you have to get the energy mentally and physically to fight out and, put up with what he is doing. You cannot, run away from your duty or your responsibility.
problem.
So you have to do your housework. Same time, you should have energy, mental energy, strength and physical to put up with this child. You cannot throw away the child just because it's not
Yes.
normal or she's not normal. So I gave her raga, which gave her the morning feeling.
Freshness.
Bauli.
Ah.
ശ്രീമന്നാരായണ ശ്രീമന്നാരായണ ശ്രീമന്നാരായണനെ ശ്രീപാദമേ ശരണം So early morning, after listening to Suprabhadam, she started singing this. First few days, she only heard. It was what we called as a passive therapy. I said passive way, you get first get charged. Once you are comfortable, start, because if you're, how do we learn in film songs and all? Nobody teaches us.
Yes.
We first get
Passive
attracted.
listening.
We passive listening, learn the tune first, then we go for the lyrics, then we get to go for the bhava.
Right.
Same thing, apply it the same here. Listen to it again and again, you will understand how the raga flows.
Right.
So all these things, so this Bauli ragam is the morning ragam. So that immediately gives you the freshness to fight off. So the mother felt very nice. She said that, every day she is full of energy, this thing. Yes. So what happens when she is energetic, mentally and emotionally and physically, her child's tantrums are not, as strong as she used to feel earlier.
Right.
Because now she is able to tackle with it. She
Okay,
has
I
got the
think
strength to
this
tackle
will
with
also
it.
help mothers who are stressed out with today's kids.
Yes.
Not only special chill.
Correct.
Even
Today's kid also, you're right. Yes,
they
yes.
are very difficult and their
Difficult, they are
tantrums are very
tantrums
high.
are totally
Yes.
not like our time.
Yes.
Mama ne papa ne bol diya, we'll quietly listen to them,
Yeah.
without questions, no arguments, nothing. Don't do it. Okay, I won't do it.
Why I should not
Why
do it?
shouldn't I do it? I will do it. Mohan is doing, Swapna is doing. Why can't I do it? That is this thing. I will also do it.
And
then
then
this
when they say something, they'll say,
and
"Don't
they are
compare
also
me."
and both working parents
Yeah,
means that's all gone. They're super hyper. They become super hyper.
Is there any raga if wife is unhappy on husband, ma'am? I'll practice.
I'll think about it because this is client specific. I have to go through your case and then I'll come back to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So as the day proceeds,
Yeah.
the midday ragas and the afternoon ragas through
Yeah.
the
Usually,
stress and
yeah,
all.
when we are finishing that and afternoon, that is post lunchtime, we are saying
Yes.
that. Not only you are going to use raga to digest your
Yes.
food,
Food.
Yes.
also digest the situation which you are faced before lunch.
Right.
Certain things you didn't work out as it was supposed to. Somewhere you went wrong.
Right.
Somewhere your calculations gone flat.
Yeah.
So now you should have the mental strength to absorb the situation,
Regroup.
regroup, correct, and then where to let it go, where to proceed. All that it has to come.
Right.
So first you have to make it as part of your system first.
All right.
Like you had your food,
Mhm.
and whatever rasa it has come out of after eating, the digestion and absorption, the body has to take it.
Mm.
And that is, there are ragas which helps with that. Like in Carnatic music, we got a raga called Sri Ragam.
Mm.
And you won't believe about this Sri Ragam, and it is with the post digestion. How it helps and all. I heard it from Dr. Abdul Kalam ji.
Wow.
I was very fortunate when I was invited by University of Hyderabad. They had many years ago. They had a 2 days workshop, and I was invited to speak about music therapy. And then after third day, when it was closing day, the previous day also Abdul
Yeah.
Kalamji was there, but he couldn't be there when my presentation was on. He had some other appointment, but he heard my recording what they had done. Next day, after post lunch, when the the conclude program was supposed to happen, and this thing. So his attender came out, called me, said, "Sir wants to talk to you." Then I went, and when he said, "President, sir, I just left whatever I was eating." I said, "This is not important. I have to talk to him. That is more important." Then I went him, and then he said, "Just now we had food and absorption. We had to do this thing. So do you know there is because you have spoken so well yesterday. I went through the video recording what you have presented. Very nice, very happy. So now let us talk about the raga. Even though I knew about it, I wanted to hear from him because the way he expresses, he puts it across. Wow,
Yeah, magical.
magical. So he spoke about this particular raga, Sri
Sri
Ragam.
Ragam.
Sri Ragam. And he plays Veena.
Okay.
He said
Oh,
that
wow.
in Veena, that the particular piece, what he plays in this raga is,
Mhm.
ఎందరో మాను భావులు, because that takes nearly 20 minutes.
Okay.
So he says that gives me the calm, affecting that body to process and absorb. It is in a relaxed manner. That's why we say, no, after having food, rest for something.
Yes.
Rest not only physically, mentally.
Mentally.
That is what is missing at present, I must say.
Absolutely.
Immediately they have to rush back to their.
But first of all, we don't know what we are eating now.
That's also true. That is also true. So this
Any Hindustani ragam for the afternoon?
this is a
Day?
Kafi Thought. This is connected to Kafi Thought. So ragas from Kafi Thought, where it is closer to this thing. I think Kafi Thought is very good for
Wow.
ragas.
I must come in here, ma'am. The way Mr. Dr. Kalam has a high respect on music
Yeah.
and musicians is
Yes,
very
yes.
high. He conferred Bharat Ratna to Subbalakshmi ji at her residence.
Yes.
That shows that magnanimity of that
Exactly,
person.
exactly. Wonderful.
Yes, yes.
Any this thing you want to see something TV, see Tom and Jerry. Laugh as much as possible, because laughing helps in burning sugar.
Wow.
Yes, it is.
So
It is.
post lunch, just to make your not your mind to be lighter and happy, not bothered about what has happened, it went wrong and all those things. This is very good way. As I look to cartoon movies, see something cartoon.
Okay.
And is it true that Kamaj also helps in reducing headaches during menstruation?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, correct.
What are the ragas that gynec issues or people facing gynec issues or
Also, it
menstrual issues?
individuals, ma. I cannot because
okay. It
it
differs
depends
from
upon
person
the
to
person to person, age to age. Because for a younger girl, if there is a gynec reason, that is a different thing.
right,
Because they have developed polycystic problems and
Right.
all ovaries.
right.
So that is because of the stress level they are going undergoing. It is because of this thing. Whereas menopause symptoms associated person is different. It's about 45 to
Heat
mid 40s
flushes
and
and all of that.
yeah. So we cannot generalize.
Okay.
It is a bit
But
client specific.
general
and this is there.
cramps and all when they go through, our guru used to tell us you can listen to some ragas that can help you heal.
Yes, normally that's
What do
for
you suggest?
normally working with hormones and everything, Rag Yaman, what we call as the Kalyani
The
Raga.
most favorite raga,
Favorite
evening
raga.
raga.
Yes,
It's
evening
what we
raga.
call.
So that is what we said. That's why there is a practice in South India during Seemandam, God Bharai,
Mm-hmm.
baby shower.
So, ma'am, you were talking about the
That
Kalyana
God
Ragam.
Bharai in Seemandam, what we call as a, and then normally at the 8th month, 7th or 8th month,
Okay.
there is a practice of playing Kalyani Ragam
Okay.
of Carnatic music in Veena. So for the lady whose Simandam is going on,
Mm-hmm.
they say that it has got the healing power, and especially even the helping with the hormones where the baby is growing inside, because this is practice is there from centuries.
Yeah.
I remember for my own Simandam, somebody singing Kalyani, my daughters, and everybody there. So it's a practice, and every practice what we have, there is a science behind it.
Right.
There is nothing, no practice is what we say, oh, they were, doing Japamala and all. There is a practice for Japamala. Simple thing like writing Sri Rama Jayam, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna,
Right.
108 times. The Rimkara is so powerful that when you are saying Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, the rrr when you are doing, it reaches, vibration reaches to the brain. And that's where the memory and recall healthy. Nowadays, the seniors normally stop doing it. That's why many of dementia cases and memory, skipping memory problems are coming up. Earlier days, as they are aging, they have the practice of writing daily or Japamala. They can take the Nama. That was the main, because when you do the Japamala, even the Rudraksha, grooves of the Rudraksha, they rub against your finger, and that actually evokes, activates your inner chakras, especially the lower chakras, which are very, very weak when it becomes, as we are aging, our inner organs and everything, that also is aging. But to keep it alive, why even 92 years, 93 years old, they used to, their memory used to be so strong. We never had cell phone and all. Now you ask me somebody's phone number, I don't
Save it.
remember.
Yeah.
Even the thing, except my husband's phone number, I don't remember anybody's phone number. But those days we had hundreds of telephone numbers tuck tuck in our hand. So that was the practice. So the memory recall was always, to keep that, our mind, we have to keep active. And the Reemkara, that's why we say that if nothing, just try to say something whether Sri Ram, the Ram, Krishna, Durga, where is the R is coming? Say that. You see that small children, we play the imaginary
Right.
motorcycle.
Right.
Energy.
That is the time the child's maximum growth of the brain happens. And you are helping the child by doing that imaginary motorcycle. That science is behind that.
Now also
game.
they're doing with video games, ma'am.
Yeah.
But
That
not
is
the physical.
That is why you see that children's, that effect later on the
Right.
children.
Right.
They're not as mentally health as we were in the earlier generation. Because the what we used to play, that the child also was trying to mimic.
Correct.
And that was helping for the mental growth. Because that's the maximum for a child. The mental growth is maximum within the first 3 to 4 years of the life. And that time, this drrrr sound, actually, internally, if you say drrrr, you can feel the vibration,
Yes.
which is reaching inside.
Yes.
Here, till here it touches.
Yes.
That is the power of Ramanama. They say, na, Ram se bada Ram ka naam.
Correct.
That's why they say that Ram se bada Ram ka naam is more healing, more powerful.
And you see in Hanuman Chalisa, the number of Ram comes
Yes,
is the
correct.
is
That's why this
highest.
mantra, Shri Rama Ram Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tatulyam Ramanama Varanane Ramanama. That is the power of it, that, when you say, keep on saying,
Right.
that keeps your mind and your body very healthy, because the vibration, which is why we do this mantra, Reem, Kreem, Reem, why we do? To keep the mind
vibration.
alert and
Even
focused.
in Mata say Om, Hreem, Shreem.
That is
Shri
what I'm
Matre
saying.
Namah.
This is all Bija mantras are to keep you alert when you are doing the Havan or any puja or anything. Your mind has to focus on that, not that you're sitting there, your mind is somewhere else.
Correct.
No. After doing that, immediately you
The
get your focus
next
to
one.
what you are
Yes.
doing.
Right.
So that is,
So as Rajamji is telling about healing,
yeah.
I got a question just now. As we travel in the evening with all the work stress, we travel back home, drive back
Correct.
home. Sometimes our moods are not as per it should be, as it should be.
This
Yes.
is where the
Uh,
distractions happen for men.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah.
So,
So
and we are always told as per the mood. So if I'm sad, I'd listen to more of
Yes.
sad songs. If I'm happy, I'd listen to more of
Yes.
happy songs.
Yes. Yes.
But is there a way when I am angry, and for example, I am angry and I want to switch my mood, I want that switch on, switch off, which is not possible for a human mind. Is there a practice or a way in healing wherein that anger can be subsided or subdued just in that situation, and I can avoid a mishap or a
this is
or
like more, ma'am, in metros. You have in the evenings traffic is for 2 hours.
Yes.
yeah,
After exhaustive
absolutely.
day of such a women, I see women putting earphones, headphones, and listening to music. And I think this there are, if you can prescribe what kind of a ragas or a
What kind of songs I can listen to just to switch, or maybe for example, I am a music student myself,
Yes.
but I get angry a lot.
That's-
I
I've
don't
seen
have
it.
senses. I don't have that control over my mind, but I want to gather back my mind in that particular situation, and I want to kill that anger. Is there any way internally or mindfully I can just get back all that?
So for that, you have to understand what is your body raga.
Right.
I was
As you
also
said,
discussing about it.
Rag
Yeah.
Yaman is my body
Body
raga,
raga.
is what you
Yes,
just
what I
said.
said.
Yeah.
So before that, enhance your elements.
Okay.
First, the power of elements, because when you are stressed out, when you are anger, frustration, all these negative emotions
Mhm.
brings down the ratio of your elements in your body.
Right.
We have got the mainly the panchatattvas, what we
Right.
call it as this thing. Walking on the ground barefoot, especially on the grass or on the soil, will enhance the Prithvi Tattva. Having Jala will enhance the Jalam. Agni Tattva, light a diya.
Okay.
Stand in front of the diya
Okay.
and pray.
Mm-hmm.
Rub your hands.
Mm-hmm.
The Agni Tattva will automatically will be part of your blessing. Pranayama, breathing in,
Get it.
breathing out. And then Akasha, of course, the connected to the mantras.
Wonderful.
So Archana, if you take that, Prithvi Tattva is connected to Archana.
Right.
Why Archana? Flowers are coming from the Prithvi. Whatever you put in the grass, the Archana, what we do with the polo. Yeah,
the
even to the
flowers.
flowers or dhanya, anything which is coming from the soil.
Akshital. Yeah.
That is Archaka is Prithvi Tattva.
Right.
Tarpanam is the water Tattva.
Wow.
Agni is, of course,
The
Havan.
Deepam.
Devam,
Havan,
Havan,
yeah. Yes,
anything you can
yes.
say. Pranayama is your Vayu Tattva. Mantra Japam is your Akasha Tattva.
Oh, wonderful.
Because mantram is connected to this thing. That definitely helps a lot.
All right.
So in a day practice, a good person does all these things unknowingly and knowingly.
Unknowingly, of course.
It's
of course.
a regular routine which your
Yes.
body follows.
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
Now we come my favorite part of the day, that is night,
Yeah.
when I go to sleep, and I generally listen to Nilambari a lot of times.
Okay.
First of all, ma'am, today's generation are not getting sleep only.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that is the major cause.
Because
they
they are
don't
not
get
having
sleep.
anything in time.
Yes.
Right.
And untimely food, untimely this thing, no exercise, nothing. Body movements are very limited. Of course, that will fire. Result will be
Backfire. Also, the
yeah.
screen time is
Of
increasing,
course.
which is
Yeah, yeah.
causing
Yeah.
lack of sleep.
Lack of sleep.
But Nilambari is what generally I tell my students, or I practice myself. But I have heard a lot about Nilambari Ragam from you, and there are more properties to Nilambari Ragam. And are there any more ragas that we can listen to while going to bed, just for a better sleep, better quality of sleep? And
Yes, Neelamri Ragam, generally they will say that it's connected to the sleep.
yes,
But I say that if you are, there is a, what we call as the Purvanga Uttaranga in a raga.
yes.
Purvanga means Sa to Sa Re Gama makes the Purvanga. Padhanisa makes the Uttaranga. So when you emphasize on the Purvanga,
Mm.
it is actually helps with the sleep.
Wow.
If you emphasize more on the Uttaranga swaras, it helps with the Shringara rasa. So
Wow.
there is a Shringaram, lot of Shringaram. Madhava Mamava Deva Krishna. So this actually, if you say Krishna, you're going upward.
Right.
So what happens is automatically there is a upward mobility of the feeling.
So
So
is
that
it
Shringara rasa helps
yes,
in that.
yes. And also we go to Shabarimala, the
Huh.
last song
Yes,
Harivarasanam by Jesudas
Hariharasana. Correct.
is also a song where it relaxes you.
Relax, it calms.
Yeah.
Hariharasana. So similarly, there are so many other. Jo Achudananda, Jo Jo Mukunda, Jo Jo. So ragas like this, where whether it's a Riti Gola, Kafi ragam in Carnatic music is different from Kafi thought of Hindustani music.
Right.
Keep that in mind
Okay.
clearly. Kapi. This is what called kapi. So certain ragas, especially what we call as the Madhyama Shruti Pradhana raga. Madhyama Shruti means you are making Madhyama Swara, bringing it to the Shadjam. Sa is connecting to Madhyama. Sa, normally we connect it to the Mooladhara Chakra, where there is a stability, where there is a, you are grounded. Ma, we connect with the Anahata Chakra, where there is a lot of halchal. Apart from the cardiac, apart from the respiratory, even thoughts, emotions, everything, confusion, everything is connected to our heart chakra.
Right.
So when you try to connect that ma with sa
Right.
and sing particular ragas, it actually helps the heart to get the stability what you need. This I have suggested for many cardiac patients.
Right.
So who has got a lot of what's the pata pata
Palpitations.
pata palpitation goes up.
Palpitations.
So for them, this gives a calming effect. So many ragas are there in where they are using with madhyama.
I
Shruti.
have also read such ragas help people come out from coma. Is it
Of
right?
course, yes, because you are touching the lungs, you are touching the organs inside here, which is actually
Which will
helps in the-
respond.
Yes, definitely, definitely. So there is various. I mean, we have. I tell you, it's like an ocean.
Right.
I can't
So
say.
I think you can prescribe these ragas for couple therapies as well.
Of course,
who are
definitely.
not able to live together.
Yes, together. This thing, Shringara Pradhana Rasa, like in Carnatic music, we have got Khamas, we get that. It's
Yes.
one of the most Shringara Rasa
Yes.
Pradhana Raga. Similarly, we have this Neelambari, as I said, no? So what happens is the upward that gives a rasa where it is, soft, same time it gives the kind of, joy or happiness. So that actually, that works with the heart chakra in the night. Yeah.
Right. So, as per your explanation of how ragas go from day till the evening or till the night time, by the time we sleep, there's a healing happening unknowingly. We keep listening to chants, mantras, songs throughout the day, and then we end the day.
Yeah.
So, is there a negative effect of any song? Like we listen to a song and a good going day can be ruined just by listening to a wrong song. Is
Not
there
like that.
a song or a
Raga.
verse?
What happens is, simple example if I get to give. A child wants to sleep. You have to sing the lori. Instead of that, you sing some Desha Bhakti Veera Rasa.
Veera
Raga.
Rasa song.
What will happen? The
He'll
child
he'll
will
he'll wake up and jump around.
jump around more aggressive. You need to have a
Right song.
right song to synchronize with the emotion. Similarly, where you have to had a Veera Rasa. There, if you have something like a Karuna Rasa or something very soft, what we say. So automatically what happens is the Veeram completely goes. For a marching, you can't be having a raga which is suitable for a lori.
Right.
So
Yeah, you're right.
you got every raga has got a particular way of like, if as I said, you want to sleep, at that time you can't be listening to a raga like Bilahari what we say that
The awakening raga.
Awakening ragas.
Alaiva Bilaval and all, which is, full of
That will give
music,
energy to you.
energy to you.
You
Right.
become
You need something to make yourself
Soothe you.
more,
Soothing.
calming,
So
soothing, like a more like a lullaby. So that's
Is
change.
Are
It's
are
okay.
you speaking about chanting Omkara? It will give different energies in the mornings and all.
Of course, of
Yes.
course.
Okay.
Omkara is definitely, it's one of the most, I must say, the Om from,
Navi.
Nabhi, Omkara from the Swadhisthana Chakra or somewhere below Nabhi. That gives a kind of different this thing. So, effect it has got. If you want to say it from the upper part of your body, it gives the upward mobility. So,
Wow.
there are various way of saying Omkara. That's what. Om will raise you. Om. Om will be more, you're calming, your
Yes.
body is relaxing. That
Shanti, Shanti,
Om. So you are getting that in the towards the lower part of your
Yes,
body.
absolutely.
There is always, we have to think about the emotions like fear, shy, anxiety, and all inward moving emotions. Krodha, that is anger, hatred, aggressiveness, all
All
sar chad ke bolta hai. What we say that, it goes above your head
right,
and raises up.
right.
So that's where this thing. So you are angry, you are feeling aggressive, can't be sleeping. Definitely not. It's
Wow.
one of the reason for sleep disorder.
Wow.
Yeah, that because you are
That's a science.
this thing, it's going this thing. Similarly, too much fear also you cannot sleep.
Yes.
If I sleep and most of the
Anxiety.
yeah, and most of
Anxiety
these
patients.
people suffering with asthma and respiratory problem, they get a fear in sleeping.
They'll-
They always
they'll
have the same.
Yes.
Suppose I die,
double,
something
yes.
happens to
Absolutely.
me. All these things, there's a fear factor. So that's why for fear, when I have to deal with fear, I see what fear they have. What is the root cause of whether it is the fear of loneliness,
Or death.
fear of darkness, fear of height, fear of water. Because a person may be a good swimmer, but may not be comfortable in going, climbing up.
Yeah.
So the fear we cannot generalize.
Correct.
There is a different fear levels, different kind of fear. Fear for examination is completely different. Fear for animals is different.
Right.
So fear of death is very common with the senior citizens.
Yes.
So there are ragas suitable to that kind of fear.
Wow.
So we cannot generalize. Fear, what raga for fear?
No, you can't.
We cannot
generalize.
say.
So you have actually prescribed a playlist
Yes.
for all sorts of
Exactly.
body ailments from
Yes.
mind to body to soul.
Yes, correct.
That's wonderful, Rajamji.
Somebody who has got completely into depression and gone through a lot of frustration at that particular day.
Mhm.
So for them, what they say that it is already past. Come out of it. Let go. So that is in a calming. Normally, Omkara is one big healer, definitely
Right.
saying Omkara. I say that to listen to that Behag Rag. There are group of antidepressant ragas,
Okay.
which I suggest to. Anti-stress is different, anti-depression is different. So I have ragas for both other categories.
Wow.
So for antidepressant, best raga is Behag.
So before I go out of the frame, I would want to learn a small. On behalf of all the working class women or all the working class men or all the people suffering from depression, stress, unknown anxiety these days, what is a simple routine they can do daily by the end of the day or evening just to calm themselves and restart again with fresh energy and a positive note?
First of all, after wherever you are staying, you are living,
Yeah.
come back to your place,
Okay. Home.
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 Sit under somewhere you feel the calm. First wash yourself.
Yes.
That's the first thing I would like
Yes.
to say. Wash yourself.
Okay.
Have a lot of plenty of water to
Okay.
drink.
Okay.
Switch on the fan or AC, whatever you want to.
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in and out.
Okay.
Concentrate on your breathing in, breathing out
Okay.
with a calm mind. Switch off your mind from what all happening around you.
Right.
So that will actually help you to get grounded, because grounding is very necessary.
Right.
So grounding, once you ground
Right.
and you are comfortable with what of this thing, keep your hand on your chest,
Okay.
because this is the place what we have to calm.
Okay.
Because the anything happens, whether it is this thing, this is the place which gets mana.
Man.
This is what we say man.
Right.
So you have to calm it down. Keep your hand here. Close your eyes. First, feel the breath coming in, your lungs expanding.
Mm-hmm.
Breathe out. Feel that lungs getting emptied and the heartbeat stabilizing.
Right.
Once that comes, start doing Omkara.
Wow. For how long?
Om. Make the O little longer, because you will feel the vibration
Yes.
more.
Inside.
Om. You can try.
Yeah. Sure.
Breathe in. No, you are very high. You are
Okay.
not in Anahata
So
Chakra.
okay. So you bring
You
me
can,
back
you
to
can,
chakra.
yeah, you
I
have to
was
come to
wrong.
Anahata Chakra, F pitch.
Okay.
Come to F.
Okay.
You'll feel the vibration here.
Yes, I'm able to.
Om. Om. Actually helps.
It
It
is.
actually
Just
calmed the
now,
entire
three of us
set
also.
as well.
It is the vibration has come to me. It's like
It was a lesson masterclass. I mean, I would want to keep learning from you, Rajamji, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity
thank
to
you,
teach
Pratisha.
me in this podcast.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Pratisha. Okay, ma'am, that you have written this wonderful book, The Healing Power of Indian Ragas. Uh, more than 3,000 copies have been sold out. And the second edition of the book is getting ready. They've added more pages.
No, this is fourth edition.
Fourth edition. Okay.
So we are actually having a more, more improved form,
form
where
of
we are adding more lessons and more chapters.
Okay.
So we are changing it to more global form.
Global format.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And I'm sure that whatever you have done till now has reached a lot of people, changed a lot of people. You have contributed. You are contributed to the society. You made people happy. You made mothers happy. That gives immense satisfaction to you. But man's dream doesn't stop. And you will certainly will have unfinished work something, and you also want to pass on this good legacy you have created to the next generation. So I want you to talk about what are your unfinished work, or you really wanted to do even now, which you're doing it, and who the one who will take your legacy forward. Yes.
Thank you. This is actually, I must mention, my family. As I said, mentioned earlier, my husband, he is the main strength behind whatever is happening, whatever I am doing. And next, I must say, mention about my daughter, Hamsini Murthy. We both have registered together, Rajam's Gurukulam, and she is doing beautifully, I must say. She was working with education institution earlier. So all her experience of more than 20 years, she has started putting for my work.
Okay.
And she is working more on the book than me. And she is actually conducting a lot of basic classes and specializing more and more. She is attending many other classes to improve her knowledge, so that, she will do her best to bring out more and more into whatever contribution, whatever I had done, and to make it more, because she belongs to this generation. She understands the generation much better than me. and whatever is suitable, accordingly, she is working towards it. And my son, who is also in marketing, and he is encouraging me more with a lot of inputs about the various electronic medias,
Social media.
social medias. And he is he is working on my website, and he is also telling me a lot of inputs he is giving, because as I said,
Grown.
what is present day, which the gap where I have to get filled up. I have these two pillars of my son and my daughter who are helping me to understand the gap and how to work towards it. They are doing their best, and they are actually guiding me, I must say, because my way of working is, or we belong to the old school, and working on because they are the people who are both of them, my daughter and my son. My son is Shiv Kumar, my daughter is Hamsini Murthy. Both of them are in collaboration together. They are doing their best to bring out my work, which is suitable to the present generation. And Rajam's Gurukulam, I have team of students who are well educated, well trained in music. Many of them in various cities. They are in Hyderabad, they are in Mumbai, they are in Bangalore, so Chennai. From there, and one is from Europe. She is also there, and so many of them are there. So who are seriously getting involved in my work, and they are helping me to understand what I can do much more. And because this team and my daughter, they are working with the basic lessons, and taking the classes for the basics, I'm able to go ahead with the advanced level.
Okay. So you have got that space.
Yes, I got the space. So that, advanced level, much more deeper understanding of the topic, the subject. So that, because more research I am able to do for the more research. Now, astrological facts also I'm bringing into it, medical astrology. And now more workshops, more, like this, what you are
Yes, a
doing. You are
podcast.
helping me to make,
Yeah, 100%. It's our contribution.
yes. So this is because sharing knowledge is never ending.
Correct.
More we share, more we gather. More questions come, it's like a lesson to me. I wait for more lessons to come, more doubts. And in fact, that's what my son does. He comes out of some questions, which really make me think. I say that, oh, this
This is
point I
something
never thought about,
thought
that
provoking.
angle.
Yes.
So I must say that, these things actually
Keeping
help
you
me to
active.
actually
Active.
help me to progress, learn more, think more, work more. So this is all coming from the newer generation, and
Making
I really
you
appreciate.
lifelong student.
Yes, yes, they are all lifelong, and it is more and more people are connecting with me from all over the world. I must say, they are very much understanding of our own traditional, chants, and that the value of the healing power of our chants, swaras, ragas, instruments, all those things, and bhasha. Most of them is Sanskrit. They are, very much. Very that Sanskrit language, the power of it, the way the shabda, what they ucharan, where it is touching. Ucharan is uttering.
Right.
How to chant it, which pressure, which
Pressure.
shabda we have to give
Stress
pressure on,
upon. Yeah.
stress upon.
Yeah.
All that, and especially shlokas, mantras, that has to be practiced. They cannot blindly say, Om Bhurvot No. There is a way of, even chanting Gayatri mantra. So where to put the pressure, stress, and where to the chanda, we have to understand. And the bija mantra of this,
Lot to study, lot to
lot to
learn.
study, lot to learn. So now I have started working
Mm,
towards more deeper, and this, the younger generation, they are helping me to understand. And moreover, now the new member who is walking into my team is my grandson.
wow. Okay.
He is a master's in psychology,
Wow.
and he always says my inspiration to work with the special kids came because
From
of
you.
my grandmother.
Correct.
Because as a young child,
Used to
When
see.
he used to see
Yeah.
me working with such children, that made him getting to. He writes it even in his bio, even on CV.
Inspiration starts from home.
Home.
Yeah.
He said, "My grandmother is my inspiration," and he starts. So he is taking lot of interest in this work. And another grandchild who is into animation and uh, webs, working with the websites and all. So he helps me. Now your podcast, I want to take out little bit of it for
And put
my
it on.
Instagram. He will help me. So I feel that my members, family members, are into.
You are
They
there.
are
Yes. Yes.
into
It's
this
a.
thing.
It's a.
So
It's a God's.
God's help. Like my granddaughter, she is also very much into understanding. My daughter-in-law, she is a psychologist.
Wow.
So she helps me to understand certain cases when I used to. So I have my whole, not only
I
family
would love to
members,
join a
friends,
dinner with all of your family
family
members.
members,
I'd
of
what will
course. Of course,
it
we
will
will
be.
all come. We will
Yeah, yeah. I
definitely.
think
Wonderful. This
this
is really the new
is
generation, not only from my family, from all over the world. I must say that they are encouraging me. They are really
giving you strength.
more inspiring me to work more and more. Do this, ma'am. We are waiting to hear more detail. We are not able to understand. You please understand and tell us, guide us. So that encouragement from that respect and the encouragement I am receiving from the younger generation, I am very sure music therapy, Sangeeta Chikitsa has got a bright
It's a
future,
future and it's in
and
a safe hands.
and the way I am doing the same thing definitely will
Lot of
take her.
with this, I would like to. I think the first time I would like to call upon Shankar Garu here
Yes, yes,
and take this book from him.
oh yes,
So he's the man behind women.
yes.
Sir, why don't you come here? And Sir Shankar Garu is the. I mean, ma'am was telling in the podcast also that he is the one who has encouraged her. If she is anything today,
Yes.
contribution is because of a man's
No,
push, man's encouragement. Thank you, sir, for giving us so much to the society. Without your inspiration and push, she wouldn't have reached this stage.
No, I mean, we have spent 55 years together. Been married for 53. We knew each other before that for 2 years. And life has not been easy. I mean, there have been a lot of, it's a constant learning curve. Like I've just been, when you hear about how music therapy is developed. So every time there has been, life has taught us new lessons. Our children have taught us new lessons. Because basically, because like she just now acknowledged, every subsequent generation is probably more intelligent than the previous one.
yes.
Whether they'll use the technology correctly or not is another question. But the fact is, they have the opportunity. They have the opportunity to actually, delve into the past, this technology again, experience the past, the whole tapestry of how legacy, time-tested legacy practices. And now there's an increasing interest in Eastern practices. Our travels to Korea, our travels to China, our travels to Thailand, our travels to Vietnam, they've all established very firmly that time-tested Eastern healing practices are not only here to stay, they are growing. And I mean, as a family, if people ask, how have you, what is it which binds your family together? Compromise. We each of us is an individual person. We all have our individuality, but we don't, we don't let the individuality actually. Do we have our fights? Do we have our arguments? Do we have a disagreement? Yes, but the fact is that ultimately, each one of this is part of a learning curve, because we are not we are not afraid to acknowledge that we were wrong, and there is something to learn from that. So
He learns even from my younger grandson who is just 10 years old.
I am, because there are things which I learned to use a tablet from him, and he is very, very adept at a lot of other things. So I think the first thing for us to acknowledge is that you constant bridge across generations, and you keep traveling back and forth There's a learning opportunity for both. And I have been self-employed. I mean, basically what is unique about our family is all of us are self-employed. We have never been employed by others. I have never been employed by others. She has never been employed by others. So what happens? The buck starts and stops with us. And I've always had one signature line which I have told my students, whom I have and other people,
Mentored. You
industry
mentored
people I
others.
am mentoring. Your best friend and your worst enemy is the face in the mirror.
Wow.
Thank you for
Awesome.
this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. I think with this, I can say, you go, I go. What should go is ego.
Yes, of course.
Absolutely.
Of
Yeah,
course.
Absolutely.
yeah,
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
it's
It
been
is
a
a
pleasure.
privilege meeting.
It's been a
Thank you.
pleasure.
Thank you.